Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Exquisite Beauty MUA and my name is Jen. Today we are going to be doing our boxy charm, but this is for the month of October. I really have to get with the program and do these things like in the month that they're in. But anyway, nonetheless, let's just jump right into it. So as always, the first thing that I want to start off with is going to be the card that tells us what the theme is for the month, products that are in the box, what they retail, and what they're used for. And, for this month, I believe it's just boxy charm, and they are trying to change up the way that they're doing things now, and they're trying to give you a choice to customize and to pick one product out of the regular boxy charm. They have a new one that I believe it's called Boxy Premium. This one brings 5 to 6 products every month, and they actually just increased the prices. I will be listing them down below because I don't remember off of the top of my head. I believe that the one I'm paying now is going to be $25.99 if I'm not mistaken. It used to be $21.99, so they increased it by $4. It's going to be $175 value for only $35, and that's awesome. I mean, I love this one as it is, so I did not change my box because I enjoy the one that I have, and I honestly don't want to pay any more for that than I do already, especially since I do the boxy looks. It's okay, I don't mind. Let me start off by mentioning that Boxy Charm did send me these beautiful brushes. It is a Moda Studio. This is an 8-piece Pro Glam set. These are the brushes right here. I am missing 2 of them because I already used them. So this is what they look like. It's very detailed. I use this to detail the outer third part of my eyebrow. The bottom part is like textured. It's black, and then you have the silver portion right here. And if you look very closely, it has Moda right there in the front. They're very cute. I was very surprised that I got this, but excited. I love Moda brushes and I can't wait to continue using them. The other one that I did use already is going to be this fluffy brush, and I use this brush just so I can set my eyes. Jumping right into October's Boxy Charm, the first product that I do want to mention is going to be this one. It's the Blushing Berries Dose of Color eyeshadow palette, and this is what the colors on the inside look like. They're very fall-like. I love berry colors. Of course, the Dose of Colors is cruelty-free, paraben, and talc-free, and I am so excited because I've actually never used a Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. This is what the inside looks like. It's got my fingerprints on it because I've already opened it up. On the back are gonna be the names that are inside. I love this. It looks so pretty. I love anything that's berry colors. Those are the shades right there. They're so beautiful, and it brings this little brush. To be honest, I never like using the brushes that come inside the palette, but either way, it's cute that it does come with one. I like the fact that this goes flat completely like this, because I hate when you open up something and you have to leave it in this angle and you're there just like this. With this, it's a little bit more comfortable and you don't have to have the palette in your face. The mirror is actually pretty good quality too. It's absolutely stunning. It's got my fingerprints on there too. Prints are just everywhere on this thing. And the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette retails for $32. And I'm going to be zooming you in and moving right along. That way we can get started on an eyeshadow look. And I am going to be using the Moda brushes that I did receive from Boxy Charm. guys, and the next product that I do want to talk about is going to be this one. This is the Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. This one is in the color dark brown, and this one retails for $16. It says achieve effortlessly tamed and tinted brows with Mellow's Tinted Brow Gel, a lightweight, non-sticky gel formula with a mini brush applicator that shows you to finish and maintain a perfectly groomed eyebrow with no mess. Perfect to use over powder or pencil. I did use this a couple of weeks ago, so I already opened it up. This is what it looks like right there, and I tried to see if I can just do a quick like little brow thing, but it did not work. So let's just try it over my brows now to see how it works. The next product that I do want to mention is going to be this one. Look how beautiful that is. This is the iconic London Prep Set and Glow Mist, and this one retails for $29. It's a hydrating mist that refreshes with light reflecting properties that leave the skin with Iconic's glow. The stunning multi-use spray can be used to prep the skin before applying makeup, set a finished look, or add a radiant gloss to a bare face and body. With extracts of cucumber and chamomile, antioxidants, green tea, caffeine, and vitamin E, this 100% vegan wonder spray helps to condition the skin, combat the look of dark circles, and leave your skin feeling revitalized and glowing. So I was actually very excited to be receiving this one. I'm gonna use it to prep my skin and to set my makeup at the end. And I just love the smell of that. It smells so good. And I'm just gonna be zooming my face makeup right along, that way we can move on a little bit quicker, but I do want you to see the products that I'm gonna be using because I might be using the rest of the Moda brushes. Okay, and the next product that I do want to talk to you guys about is this black eyeliner. It's by Hollywood and Vine. This is the Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl eyeliner. You can never go wrong with a black eyeliner in the waterline. I absolutely love it. I know sometimes people say that it closes your eyes, but that black Kohl liner. It retails for $7, which is actually not that bad. It is a wooden pencil, but as you can see, when I did put it on, it took a while to warm up. But once it did, it applied on very smoothly. I did just use the black eyeshadow from the Dose of Colors palette just so I could set that. It lasts a little bit longer, but let's see how it does throughout the day. I will let you know down below. And the last product in our Boxy Charm for the month of October was this iconic London lipstick. And this one is in the color Sex Mitten. It's actually a lip plumping gloss. I might just throw it right on top because I don't want to wear a lipstick. My lips are very dry. And let's just apply this and see how it looks. The color looks very, very pretty. I can already feel the tingling sensation on my lips. I'm not a fan of that too much. It almost feels like a little bit minty. It's just a weird sensation. I'm not crazy over this. The smell is a little bit strong. And the iconic lip plumping gloss does retail for $26. It says that the lip plumping glosses are the ultimate combo for non-sticky gloss and plumping power. It's not as sticky as some lip glosses could be. The high shine formula is infused with biomimetic peptide, which helps support natural collagen production and more defined and voluminous looking lip. I always struggle with that word. To support natural collagen production for more defined and voluminous lips. And here is the finished look. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. My skin looks really, really pretty. The highlight is just sitting like in my skin. It's not sitting on top of it. And I just love that pretty vulgar highlight. It looks absolutely stunning. And it just gives me like that glow from within look. I really like that iconic Prep and Set Glow Setting Mist. It's a very, very beautiful. I can't get over of how beautiful that looks. And that's crazy because I used up that much already. It's insane because I used it to prime my skin and set it at the end. The lip gloss, still don't know how I feel about that. I really don't like that sensation, but I'm gonna see how it looks on my lips because if it does make them a little bit more defined, then hey, maybe I won't mind so much. I really loved the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. Those colors were absolutely beautiful. They blended out very beautifully too. I love the look that I created, and berries are just my favorite as far as lips or eyeshadows. It's just, I absolutely love that. The eyeliner was pretty good as well. Everything usually applies on very pigmented at first, but then it starts wearing off, so I'm curious to see how long that's gonna last. And the Mellow tinted brow gel, well, as long as it keeps them in place. I really didn't like it at first because I just used it on its own. I didn't have any products in my eyebrow. I was hoping that it would be something a little bit quicker, like on some days where I don't feel like doing my brows, I could just do that. You just have to keep using the products in different ways and see which way you do and do not like them, but that's life, trial and error. And the total retail value for October's Boxy Charm was $110. I love receiving these products because that way I don't have to buy too much makeup on my own. I'm not gonna lie, I still do, but who doesn't love makeup? And yeah guys, that wraps it up for today's video. I hope that you did enjoy it, and if you did, remember to leave it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I would love for you to join us. Just hit that little red subscribe button down below. And remember guys, always be grateful, always be thankful, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.